Alright, y'all, so I done got stopped. So you guys can see him back there. He got somebody else pulled over. It's a construction zone, so this is trying to cross over. Has been like it's like a neutral lane. So they're pulling everybody over who like crosses the median. But it's like there's no way to maneuver over like with all this traffic. See how it is right here, but it's like that all the way to the backs and the traffic is like jammed. It's just a warning, guys, just a warning. He's just running my license to make sure that I'm good. But you know, he's like, where are you going? I'm like, Home Goods. He's like, oh, I want to come. Me and my wife go there all the time. I'm like, oh, you could come. Please don't give me a ticket, sir. But yeah, he got somebody else stopped behind me, so he's like talking to that guy. I'm trying not to let him see my camera because I ain't trying to go to jail for recording without his permission, you know. Okay guys, so I found some dope pieces here at Home Goods. I don't know if my camera's foggy. See me better? Okay. So I found this green jade, or is either jade or emerald, one of the two. I think this one is more jade, I think. So I found this for the guest room, pop of color. I'm gonna change the bathroom across from it to kind of reflect and mimic. Darian's room is like black and like white and orange, and then the guest room is like black, gold, white, and then pop of green. And then I found these pictures, which I don't know just yet, but I'm gonna get like the green bathroom rug, and I don't want like the pictures to like overpower it, so I'm gonna try it out. And then I found these pictures to go above the guest bed. And then I found some apothecary drawers, something like that, drawers to fill up for my master bathroom, to put like my sea salt and stuff like that. And then I found this beautiful vase that can like add a pop of color to the space in the bathroom. So I found some good things. Oh, and I also found this tray. Now I don't know just yet because of course I don't want to like oversaturate the bathroom with green, so I'm going to test it out. If not, keep the receipt, you can always bring it back. But this Home Goods and Richardson have some dope stuff. Like this is one of my favorite home decor. This is like one of my favorite Home Goods in the DFW area. I'm always finding some dope stuff. I even like this chair. I was like, oh my god, I wish I could put this in my office or in my bedroom. This is so dope. But there's only one, so I would have to like find the space that caters to only one high chair. So I'm trying to see what else they have around. I'm trying to find like a flat wicker basket for my master bathroom, but all of them are pretty deep, and I don't want them to be like too deep because I want it to display certain items, but I haven't found it just yet, so I'm gonna look around some more and I'm gonna come back. Y'all, I don't know why I started organizing my closet. I'm never gonna be done. My closet is a mess because I'm reorganizing everything. Anybody want to help? Please. Hopefully, I don't kill myself trying to organize the rest of this closet. The only thing that's like somewhat organized is this, and my long dresses, coats and stuff that's like really long, and my handbag section.
They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much. Hello. Your face looked a little oily though.
It does?
A little bit.
Let me see.
Nah, it didn't. I'm just messing with you.
I'm tired. I'm looking on my Poshmark.
I
need to figure out how to set this up to sell it. Like, I wonder if I should hang it up here. Like,
hang it on your badonkadonk that you supposed to get.
Right here? And take pictures?
Yeah. Yeah, that don't look bad.
Ooh, got him.
The things some people do.
I can see the lights. I can see the lights. Oh, yo, I'm almost finished, kinda, sorta. Once I clear this part out, then I can start the organizational part. I need me a break, a snack or something. A little snackety snack. Oh, Darian's knocked out. The lights are off upstairs. I guess I can get me a little chai tea. Is it focus? There you go. Because you guys know I always have it in stock. Yes, indeed. All right, so let's drink some of this vanilla chai tea and get down to the tea, okay? So there's been a lot of, you know, little hype around the topic of whether or not I'm dating again. And it's basically because you guys are starting to see my friend Wendell in my vlogs. And he's not even in my vlogs like all the time. He's just so happened to be in the past couple of footage videos, because I had footage from like over the past like month and a half, like since like New Year's and stuff like that. So I have a lot of like accumulated footage that I've been putting out because I've been gone for so long, you know, just trying to catch up on keeping you guys in the loop with everything that I've been doing. So he's been in a few vlogs like back to back to back. And so there was a comment that basically stated that, you know, oh, you know, he's very comfortable, so they gotta be dating. Other people were asking if we were dating. So the story behind me and Wendell are childhood friends. And honestly, like, somebody should be comfortable around somebody that they've been knowing since they were 14 and 15 years old. Like, of course he's comfortable, just like Marley's comfortable with coming over to my house and cooking. Everybody's like, oh, they're dating. And it's like, no, him and I are not dating. We go out to eat, we go out for drinks, we go clubbing. Like, he comes over for parties, he comes over to help me fix things. Like, that's just what it is. And like, you guys know that I'm a very private person. Like, there's things that like I could talk about, but I just don't, because it's just very personal. Like, if I put too much out there, then it's like, what do I have left for myself? And I know that you guys will truly understand. And I'm in a very good place, y'all. I've been single, what, for 2.5 going on 3 years. I'm in a good place. And like, if I do decide to date, if I find somebody that I feel is worth dating, then I'm gonna secure that part first, and then I'll bring it to y'all. It's like, no, I'm not dating, but if I was dating, like, I would not be posting about it anytime soon, because I overanalyze and I cross my T's and dot my I's, and I want to make sure that we're pretty much solid before I decide, like, hey, you know, say hi to my followers. Say for instance, like, I hang out with different guys, right? And I go out to eat and I post pictures of me and this one guy, but it's not nothing serious. And then like a week later, I go out with somebody else and I post another picture, and then it starts to like look like I'm hopping from man to man. So for me, it's like, if I'm just like having fun, hanging out, nothing serious, whatever the case may be, like, I would not post any of that on my social media. Like, honestly, I don't think I'll post anybody on my channel until I know that like we're really serious and like about to get married, like maybe engaged. Like, that's just how I feel right now. I don't know, I'm just a very private person. So I'm just like, no. If I was seeing somebody, like, they wouldn't be anywhere close to being on my social media, because I don't want people like trying to find them and stuff. And speaking of finding, let me tell y'all, so Wendell, he was telling me that he has been like receiving buku Instagram requests. And what's crazy about that, it's like, because of the simple fact that we've never put his social media out there. We've never said, oh, hey, follow my friend this and that. Hey, follow me here. Like, that has like not come about. And so one day, like, we were hanging out or whatever, and he was like, yo, look at all these friend requests that I'm getting. Like, did you shout me out or whatever? And I'm like, no. And like, he starts to look at like the people that those people are following, and of course, like, it's me. And it's actually kind of weird. People go like over and beyond to try to find people for, I feel like, for reasons that is like more so to be nosy. Like, it would be different if it was like, hey, go follow my friend, like, he has really cool content. But like, to actually go search somebody without even knowing like where to start, I just think it's super weird. And he thought it was super weird as well. And he was like, I'm not accepting none of them. Like, they just over here trying to be nosy or whatever. And I was just like, you know, like maybe they're trying to shoot their shot. You never know. It's just weird. Like, if you were somebody who sent him a request based on trying to piece together whether or not we're like seeing each other, or like maybe just shoot your shot, or whatever the case may be, like, y'all gotta understand that like sometimes people who are not like familiar with the social media world in a sense, in that aspect, outside of just like accepting just people that they actually know, it can come off a little weird. But like, for me, I was laughing because I'm like, I bet that people are just trying to be nosy. Like, y'all don't do that. It's just really weird. Like, and it's only weird because I know that the people who are like probably sending friend requests are doing it for reasons other than, hey, like, he's a cool person, let me go check out his content. Like, I honestly don't believe it's like that. But yeah, so, but I will tell y'all this though, whenever I do get in a relationship and then I get married, I'm sending out an invite to all y'all, because we're gonna have a big old block party, you know, for my subbies. I mean, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to come to the actual ceremony, but I will do something special for y'all, so y'all can come like celebrate with us, or, you know, somewhere. I don't know, I'm gonna figure something out. But who knows how long that's gonna take. But I'm not rushing it right now, honestly. Like, I don't know, like, marriage scares me. I don't know if I even want kids anytime soon. I was talking to my mom about that the other day, like, I talked to Darren about that this morning. I dropped him to school. I was like, honestly, I would be okay with not having kids. I mean, like, at the end of the day, I do understand that, like, you know, we're put here to procreate and bring babies into the world and like give them life, but I don't know, it just doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't interest me. Like, I don't know, maybe it'll change in a few years, but I'm not getting any younger. I wake up, I come and go as I please, and like, whenever I do go to Louisiana and I have my nephew Jace, and I have to like get him dressed and brush his teeth and like make sure I feed him and stuff like that, like, it's fun for the moment because I know that like that's my baby. Like, I don't see him often, but it's also one of those things where it's like, oh, I just want to sleep in, or oh, I don't want to get up and do this or whatever. And so I'm just like, I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'll ever be ready. Like, most people get baby fever and they're like, okay, like, it's time, let's start planning. And I don't know, like, it doesn't really interest me just yet. So I have time for all of that. But right now I'm just entertaining me, keeping Darian on straight and narrow. You know, his grades are good. Speaking of, I need to go double check, make sure he ain't asleep, because he gonna be like, really, you can't get me with this on the carpet? Oh, I don't know if he's sleeping or not. Papa, you sleeping? You sleep? I was about to tell you to come put this broom and stuff away, but just do it in the morning. All right. I'll take a shower and go to sleep. So until next vlog, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, and then, you know, I'll show you guys what my closet looks like after it's all done or whatever. Oh yeah, and do not forget to turn on your notifications. Click that little bell beneath this video, that way you know when I post a new video. Do not forget to subscribe, join the Missy Lynn family. I'm gonna call y'all my misfits because I just feel like y'all go hard for me. Yeah, y'all go hard for me. But yeah, so I'm not gonna keep y'all. I'm gonna see you guys next vlog. Bye.